Hey everybody, welcome back to Lemon Branch Travels. Today I'm sharing one of Walt Disney World's biggest secrets. It is right in plain sight and most people don't even know it exists. We're breaking down all of the places in Walt Disney World where you can get free soda refills. Yes, free soda refills within the Disney parks. We're not talking about the refillable resort mugs either. A fountain soda at Disney World now costs $4.79, and in most places you only get one. No refills, that's it. Just one. But what if you could get unlimited refills when you sit down to eat at no extra charge and you are playing by the rules? This is a soda hack that Disney does not advertise, but once you know it, you won't forget it. So stick around and let's get into it. Now, before we jump into the list, these refill stations are located inside select quick service restaurants found across the parks, and they're completely self-serve. As long as you've purchased a fountain drink there, you can refill it freely while you dine. And remember, these are not advertised by Disney, so unless you've been before or someone shows you, you'd probably walk right past them. Let's get started right here with something that is 100% free. Yes, free, and it is unlimited soda. There's no purchase required, and that is at Club Cool. Now, Club Cool is sponsored by Coca-Cola, and it's located right here by the Connections Cafe. But what's cool about this place is they have flavors from all over the world. So it's an international flavor tasting. But as you can see, they've got a little bit of a store. You walk in and you can see tons of stuff from Coca-Cola, so lots of merchandise, but you can see there's a bank of these soda fountains all along the wall. Each one of them have the same flavors, but as you come up and see them, you will see that each one of these flavors is a little taste from different parts of the world. Now, a lot of people are going to play a trick on you and say the Beverly from Italy is the best taste of anything you've ever tasted. I will let you be the judge, but I will tell you this, my favorite is Club Country when they have it. They don't always have it, but sometimes when they do, it is fantastic. But what's great about this, they provide the cups for you and it is unlimited. You can just keep coming back over and over and over again and get as many refills as you want. So it is just an awesome place to come and just refresh, if anything else, because I guarantee there's going to be some kind of a fruity flavor or something that you are going to like. Okay, so next up, we are going to move to the Disney parks. Now, what is interesting is these refill hacks, I will tell you, they are found at EPCOT, they are found at Hollywood Studios, and they are found at Animal Kingdom. They unfortunately are not found at Magic Kingdom. They're up, as of right now, there's no places in Magic Kingdom that actually have these refillable hacks. But let's go ahead and head into the ABC Commissary. So the AMC Commissary is here in Hollywood Studios, and as you can see, they have got a bank of these refillable sodas, and they have everything from Coke, Diet Coke, Sprite, Lemonade, Powerade, Fanta Orange. You can get Coke Zero, Barks Root Beer, and in some places I've seen some other flavors, but that's what they have on tap right now. And there's one bank on one side of the restaurant and then a bank of them on the other. Now, not too far from ABC Commissary is the Backlot Express. Now, the theming of this is kind of like your old rustic paint shop. Like I said, there's Coke, Diet Coke, Sprite, Fanta Orange. There is Coke Zero, Sprite Zero, Powerade, Barks Root Beer. You got some lemonade and then a repeat of some of the other flavors. But this is a place where if you're going to spend $4.79, you can definitely take advantage of all of these refills. So Backlot Express, ABC Commissary, they're not too far from each other. It just depends on, look at the menu, see what you like. Some of them are hamburgers, some of them are sandwiches. But if you're going to go get something to eat, like I said, this is the place to take advantage of these free refills. Okay, so next up, back over at Epcot, we are at the Regal Eagle. Now, this is found at the America Pavilion, and inside they have two banks of beverage stations, all the exact same sodas, the flavors of sodas. So this is like your barbecue fare, your hamburgers, and they have ribs and chicken. But this is a great place also to get your refillable sodas. And like I said, if you're gonna be eating, you might as well go to one of these places if you're gonna get a soda. I love the cuisine all around EPCOT, and they don't always have the sodas or refillable sodas. So I will wait until I am at one of these places to get my soda, just because it goes so much further. So you'll notice that they have several different locations of these machines within each restaurant. So if it gets really busy, just kind of look for the other one. Now, this is not to be confused with the resort mugs. Now, as you can see, these are the mugs that you will find at the resorts. What's different about these are designed to stay at the resort. So if you're staying at a Disney property, Disney hotel, each one of them have these soda mugs. Now you can prepay for those, you can pick them up at the gift shop, and then as you can see, you'll notice that these have an RFID reader in them. So there's a little chip. And at the bottom of these, you will see, like on the machine itself, you will see there's a black pad there that reads the RFID chip. That is what activates the machine. So if you have not bought a mug, you cannot get any of the refills here. Now there is a limitation to those as well. Now those mugs are only good during the length of your stay, and they're only good for up to 14 days. But they have to stay in the resorts. They're not designed to go to the parks. So if you are going to take those to the parks, a lot of people will get a refill before they head off to the parks. Just keep in mind that those do not work in any of the places in the parks. You do have to purchase another drink, but once you do, then it's free refills while you're eating at that restaurant. Okay, head back over to EPCOT. We've got the Connections Eatery, and that is the first dining experience that you come to right past Spaceship Earth, and they have quick service favorites for all kinds of tasty quick bites. But here is another place where if you buy a soda with your meal, you can hit that self-serve fountain, and it's, like I said, it's unlimited refills while you're dining. So it's a great way, again, to make your dollars stretch. Okay, we're gonna jump over to Animal Kingdom. Now this restaurant is definitely my favorite quick service restaurant in Animal Kingdom. This is a Thule Canteen, and this has multiple banks of beverages, also beverage centers. They usually in the morning, they'll only have one side open, but during the busier afternoon and evenings when everybody's having lunch and dinner, they will have both sides going. So this is another place to get your refills. Now what's interesting here, instead of getting just like a regular paper cup, they will give you a refillable cup, but it's a hard plastic cup that is not just designed to be used in that restaurant, but it's one that you leave there with your other dishes. So they don't have paper plates, they don't have utensils and things like that that you just normally throw away. This is like, you've got real silverware, you got real plates, and then you can see there's a plastic cup here that is the refillable soda. Now what's cool about some of these is you can get kids meals. Kids meals come with the soda. It may be a smaller glass, but you can refill it just as much. But keep in mind that some of these glasses, obviously they're designed to stay in the restaurant, but hey, you pay the same price, you might as well get the refills. Okay, another place at EPCOT is the Seasons. So Sunshine Season, it's located at the Land Pavilion, and this one's a little bit different, but you are allowed to get free refills here. So it's kind of behind the counters and back where you buy the food. You pick up your food, you go through and you pay for it, and you pay for your soda there, but then after you get your cup, you can come back around and get your free refills here at these stations, and that's at the Land Pavilion. Now, one other place that you can get refillable mugs, just like at the resorts, they have these refillable mugs that are available at the water parks. So this here is an example of Blizzard Beach, where you just can purchase the mug for one day. It's good for one day. It also has the RFID reader in it, so you pay the $14 for one day. But what's interesting is if you hold on to that mug and you're gonna come back for a second day, it's only $9.50 to reactivate that mug. Okay, so just to answer some of your questions, so can you bring your own cup? The answer is no. You do have to purchase the cup first, and then you're allowed to have unlimited refills. Yes, you will see that there's no attendant there, and people bring the resort mugs in and they cheat. I just, guys, play by the rules. Let's not ruin it for anybody else. I'm an annual pass holder. I know that a lot of annual pass holders discourage anybody from knowing about this, but I am not that kind of person. I feel like if it's there for the taking, we should all be able to go and enjoy it. And what I think is if everybody plays by the rules, maybe Disney will increase these refill stations in more restaurants so that we can enjoy more of it, just like you would if you went to an off-property quick restaurant anywhere else where you get unlimited refills. So you're already paying a premium price, you might as well get these refills. But do not bring your own cup in, because they're only for if you purchase them in the restaurant. So there you have it. Those are the secret spots for unlimited refills at Disney World. From Club Cools, free samples, to self-serve fountains at Connections Eatery. You got the ABC Commissary, the Backlot Express, and Satuli Canteen. You can maximize your drink value on a hot park day. I know some Disney fans, especially the annual pass holders, love keeping these tips under wraps, but I believe everyone deserves to know. Disney set up these fountains for guests, so let's use them responsibly. Buy a drink, dine, and refill during your meal. So if you love this tip, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more Disney hacks. And make sure you leave a comment too. Tell me which spot you've been hitting. Did I miss one? Is there something that you know about that I have missed? Let me know down below so we can all learn together. And once again, thanks for watching. Make sure you stay hydrated out there, and we'll see you on the next video.